I built my own LeetCode-style interview trainer that runs 100% locally and gives me real AI feedback, and I'm giving it away for free. It's got SQL, Python, machine learning, system design, AI engineering, and LLMs. It has a live coding editor that gives you in real time the errors and gives you hints, AI feedback on your solutions, a chatbot that runs locally to answer all your questions. It also has progress tracking. It also saves your progress locally, so when you come back after a day or two, everything is still in there. It's also sorted by difficulty as well, as you can see, and it also has built-in Pomodoro timer every 50 minutes. So if you want a focus session of 15 minutes, 10-minute break, it's all built in here for you. It can also generate brand new problems for you. So when you just click on the button, it's going to generate one problem for AI engineering, one problem for system design, one problem for machine learning, one for SQL, and one for Python for you, so you never run out of practice and things to work on. In this video, I'm gonna dig a little bit into how I built this. I'm gonna share with you the code, the repository. I'm gonna explain to you everything in here so you can go reproduce it for yourself and start practicing, saving your progress. We have everything in one place for you to hopefully nail your next interviews. And I have used Claude to build all this for me. It's interactive, it's beautiful, it saves everything. I can communicate with my LLM, I can get hints for the progress that I'm making. I can get AI feedback in real time for the things that I'm doing, so it can give me a feedback, as we can see in here. I have a set of rules that I've saved already that are useful in case I just want to have a quick glimpse on things I use regularly, like if I just want to remember the order of execution of SQL queries, if I want to know more about the join types, things that we need. And also, if we get confused, we can directly chat with AI, give it directly the problem, ask it specific questions, and it can also read directly through the code and the problem itself, or you can toggle it off if you don't want to. You can delete the conversation here, and it doesn't save the conversation very long. At some point, you will just cut it so that it doesn't overwhelm the memory. So you're gonna find it all here in the repository. Simply give it a star. You're gonna get access to it just via this URL in here. I made it available for you. You're gonna find the README that will explain to you what it is. It's a LeetCode-style practice app that can help you prepare for your data science, machine learning, and AI engineering interviews. It exists to help me and hopefully help you prepare for your interviews. It's like an AI coach. It gives you problems, it can help you think through them, it gives you hints, it gives you AI feedback, and you get access to a local language model in there, so you don't have to go out of your machine. And this works whether you're on a plane, on the train, and it saves the progress for you locally. So everything stays in there. So when you finish a problem, it will just mention that it's finished, and you can just move on to the next. For example, these two are finished, and I can still see the code that is still here. If I run it, I can directly see the output on the bottom right in here. And here, for example, this is the problem. These are the tables that we're going to be working with. So I can click on them to get a quick glimpse of what the table has inside. So we can see the columns, we can see some of the values, we can see the type. It's perfect. It's like we have access to a SQL database directly, and here we can simply query. And if I want to submit, I will just click, and for example here, it tells me that there is wrong, right shape, wrong values. So it gives us some hints, and we need to work on it and get improvement. And if I need AI feedback, I will just click on it, and we can see here that it's thinking. It says close, but the order by clause is missing descending. So for example here, maybe it was just missing this descending. I'm gonna run it, submit, and we can see that it's accepted and the result was correct. So if you feel lost, of course, always use the LLM in here. I am using Qwen 3 Coder 30 billion parameters. This is a 19 gigabytes language model that I'm using. I have a MacBook Pro, and if you have a smaller machine that has less capabilities, maybe just download a smaller language model. I will share with you the alternatives, but this one for me was the good enough one because some other language models are completely massive and I didn't want to run something that becomes very clunky. So to reproduce this, I put this reproduce.md for you. It tells you the prerequisites, it tells you how to clone it, the Python environment, and everything step by step for you. If you feel lost about how to do it, just use Claude and it will assist you. To simply do it, just go to the repository, link in the description below. It gives this a star, copy the link to the repository, go to VS Code or to Cursor or your coding environment, and just come into the terminal at the bottom and just type git clone and paste the repository. It's gonna do it within 2 seconds. Then open folder and you'll find it here at the top. Now you find all the code already available for you here. So you're gonna go to reproduce.md if you want to reproduce it, and ask Claude here in the chat to assist you in building all these things. You have to install Python in your environment, you have to install the libraries or Llama, etc. It will guide you through each and every step in here so that it makes your life easier. So how this app works, I called it Interview Gym, but of course it was just a name that I thought about. First, you just pick a problem and the difficulty, and you can write directly in the Monaco editor, is a coding editor that you have within the app. You can run and make real tests. You submit, you get a pass or a fail, and even gives you a reason why. Then you can use the AI feedback to help you. It's like your AI mentor. You have someone that gives you hints, assists you, and if you feel completely lost, use the local LLM to literally give you code snippets or hints directly. And everything runs locally, no tokens, no cloud. Everything runs on your laptop and for free. So as we saw, what's inside is SQL, Python, applied machine learning, system design, AI and LLMs. System design and AI and LLMs, these sections are more like theoretical. So the answer is not deterministic. So in this one, you just type your thoughts and you click on AI feedback and you will analyze them for you. Let me give you a quick example. Here I am on the app. I'll go to system design. I'll go to this Netflix system design problem in here. I'm going to remove this. So this is a system design interview for Netflix. It explains to you the problem and it asking you certain questions that you need to think through. I'm going to just give it an answer here that I pre-worked it before, and I will just ask for AI feedback. Since there is no one real answer, there is no like check the result. We just ask for AI feedback and AI is gonna come with the feedback. It will say the approach here is off track, they identified certain things and what to fix. It's like you're speaking to a mentor that kind of guides you to find the answer, same as you're gonna find in real interviews. So this is really cool. You write your thoughts and you use AI feedback to help you think through them. And here, if I give it a better answer, let's see what we can get from this. Let's see the AI feedback on this one. Look, here it says approach is correct and demonstrates strong understanding of right-heavy system design, scalability, and trade-offs. So if the response is good, then it will tell you, then you can mark it as done and you can move on. So you have a local AI coach. It will give you hints. You can have local chat mentor. You can get AI feedback. You have a Pomodoro focus timer. You have rules cheat sheet and auto-saved progress in your own computer. So what I've used to build this, for the front end, I use React, Vite, and Monaco code editor. For the back end, we have Fast API, DuckDB, and SQLite. This is for grading and data. And the local AI, I used Olama, but running Qwen3 coder 30 billion parameters. So that's the one that I told you. So since I have a 48GB RAM on my MacBook Pro, I'm able to run this model. But if you have a smaller machine, you can use a Qwen3 but 14 billion parameter instead of 30, or 8 billion, or even 7 billion. So it depends on your machine. This is as simple as asking Claude to change one line of code to change this model. You just need to install it on your machine and then use it. And let me know if you have any other ideas of cool apps that we can build together. This one is for interview prep. If you have anything else in mind that can save you some money, they can be tailored to you, because this is all super professional. This is really helpful for you to practice and for myself as well, and you don't have to pay for any LeetCode or anything like that. Obviously, it's not as comprehensive, but you own it, you have the data and everything. So if you have any idea of any apps, let me know in the comments. Give this repo a star to support me, share it with friends as well, spread the word. And if you're interested about AI engineering, I made a long 41-minute video covering AI engineering fundamentals. Here we're using Claude primarily. I use Claude Opus 4.8 for planning and Fable 5 for the execution, but understanding the fundamentals of how AI systems work is very helpful. So I'm going to link that video in the description for you, and thank you for watching.